We have a great set of people. We have high standards when we hire people, and when we do, everyone brings something new into the company, eager to share with the entire group. So as a result, we grow as a group by learning from each other, and that's very beneficial.
For me, Source Allies really facilitates geek cultures. It really, at Source Allies, our passion is technology. Our passion is learning new things, and for different people, they have different things that they're passionate about. Some people are passionate about the latest web framework. Some people are passionate about the latest Java specification. Others are passionate about languages or design patterns or some other technology, and Source Allies really provides and facilitates the environment of continuous learning. Source Allies is a nice hybrid between, working as a full-time developer at, like a regular corporation. It's nice in that we still have a building to come to. We still are, like a regular company, but we're consultants too. So, what we do changes day to day. You work at a client for 6 months, maybe a year, and after that time, the scenery totally changes. You get a new technology stack. You get a new set of people to work with. All the while, you're still working at the same company. You don't have all of the risk as an hour by hour consultant, and you don't have the monotony of working at an atypical organization.
Absolutely, the only place I've ever worked where I have had the opportunity to work with people at the caliber that there are at Source Allies. We have people who are experts at many different levels in software development and information technology, from networking to object-oriented programming, analysis and design, to writing white papers, to explain best practices in certain aspects of software development. An ideal client would have an openness to and a willingness to learn and apply new technologies and new processes. For example, a recent client was a traditional IBM waterfall shop. So we have, we planted the seed of agile development, for example, and suggested maybe we try a single agile project. And we try to get stakeholders in the company to come on board with those ideas. And for the company to be an ideal company for us, they have to be willing to at least listen and think about ways of improving their processes. The openness to new ideas is huge in the fact that we can be most successful in a company that is willing to step outside the box, take a good look around, and see if maybe what they're doing could use improvement, as well as to apply new technology.
Well, I think what we look for in a client is a client that realizes that they need to improve on something, and whether that improvement means a total change in technological direction, or if that means, well, we've got a stack already, but we need to know how to do these things better, and whether do things better means a different process, or means maybe they've got some large new project, they've not tackled a project of that size before, and they need some additional help, and being brought in to lead or architect solutions like that is really what we look for in a client. We may not always have total control over technology, or we may have some constraints, but if given the opportunity to make a difference and to try to improve things, that's really where we